Okay, so for pfsense, you have to boot it, you have to clone it, something like that. This is your RAM, and that's plenty. This is your VLAN that's checked out to you, so you need to find your appropriate VLAN number. Then you boot it. You have to boot it using the dual NIC option. This is not available from the web page. This is only available here. Then you'll boot it. It'll take a while, but you'll eventually get to a screen. The first screen you get to is not this. The first screen you get to, it'll ask you to define what your WAN interface and your LAN interface are. So this one I've defined as RE0 and LAN as RE1. It's pretty easy. It just asks you, what is your WAN interface? And it will give you some options. If you don't see both RE0 and RE1 listed, you have a problem. So, and then you continue on, you select both your WAN and LAN interface, take several minutes, then you get to this screen that looks like this. So all that I've done since I've got to this screen is I have went to option 2, and I have selected, for example, the WAN interface. That's my public interface. That'll have a 144.38 address. The LAN interface will have a private address. So I go like this. 1, I'm not going to use any DHCP, turn that off. Give it an IP address. So 144.38 dot whatever my IP space is, and I don't remember what it is, but something like that. Enter. 29 is our subnet mask. If we have 8 IPs, you might need to double check. Then you need your upstream gateway address. So 144.38.16.27. I'm not sure if these are actually correct. You'll have to verify that yours are correct. Hit enter. No, we're not doing a WAN interface via DHCP. Nothing, enter. It'll assign the address, and then we will go and assign the LAN address. So basically you do the same thing again. Number 2, you do number 2, you 192.168.100.1, enter. This one is a 24, enter, enter, no, and then look back here, make sure it works. You can drop to a shell using number 8 and do some ping tests to see if it works, but that's how you set it up.